Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Ludo King refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and let this list fully load. This shows you exactly which app are taking up the most space. Tap offload app on a few large apps you do not use often, which removes the app but it keeps the documents and data. Also check photos and messages since large photo libraries and old messages attachments are common hidden storage hogs. Once you freed up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes, go back to the App Store and try reinstalling or re-updating your Ludo King app again. If the error persists even with free space showing, restart your iPhone completely since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears the stuck storage gauge. Free up storage in iPhone storage, offload unused apps and restart if needed. Ludo King installs and updates cleanly and that's it. Subscribe.